What's up? It's Chris with the Restocked video. Today we got the Spike Tactical Spike Bar Rail. Pull this out so you guys can see it. Ooh. You don't want to pull it down. Come on. Come on.
That's gonna.
A little piece on it. There's no real action.
Cool.
Logo. We also have the Fast Helmet basic version. Foliage. You've seen it. I don't know what makes it basic. What makes it basic?
It's in the title.
We have the Polar Star Fusion Engine 4M4. We also have the Vega Force
VFC.
Tactical Illuminator V3X.
That's VFC guys, by the way. Vega Force.
What did you say?
Vega Force Company. You said the whole name, but most commonly VFC.
Well, check us out. www.airsoft.com on the Restock and the new products page. Tonto signing out.